If you want to customize a lock screen on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case you want to open the settings on your phone. Then over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to personalization. Now in here we have the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Before we move on to the lock screen, I can recommend you checking out the lock style, where we have a bunch of different presets. So you can choose whichever you like the most and then you can start from there. So as you can see, we have this customize button that you can use if you want to choose one of these available options. Nevertheless, the customization is pretty much the same for every single one of them. So now in here we have the option to tap on the date, for example over here, date and the current day. And as you can see, we can customize the content. For example, we can include the UV index, we can include the wind, the humidity, and so on and so forth, or the air quality and so on. So you can have a little bit more information available at the top. Then over here we have different clock faces. So as you can see, we have a couple of different classic ones. We have big clocks, we have Eastern aesthetics, and the magazine and rule lock screen options. And besides that, if you go to font, then over here you can customize the font, which is available for some of these clock faces. In some cases, for example, in the case of the big clock, you will notice that we can only change colors. But in the case of these classic ones, we have the font, the size or thickness actually of the font, and we can choose the color as well. And besides that, we have the signatures. You can tap over here in order to write pretty much whatever you want it to be written on the home screen, just like that. And of course, you can also tap on the lock screen in order to apply it onto the full screen to see precisely how it looks like. If you have a wallpaper, you should be able to zoom in and zoom out with 2 fingers. So as you can see, we can use the pinching gesture in order to zoom in and zoom out. And also with 2 fingers, you can adjust the position of the wallpaper as well. So remember that you have to use 2 fingers in order to adjust it. At the bottom, we can also find effects, which we can apply over here. We have a couple of different effects that we can choose. And in some cases, you can also find the depth effect. In some cases, we can easily apply it. However, it is not always available, and it depends on the wallpaper and whether there is something very clear that is supposed to be, for example, in front of the clock. Once you are done with the customization of the lock screen, you can just simply tap on the apply button in the upper right corner. You might also be asked if you want to use the changing wallpaper feature. So of course, if you do the wallpaper carousel, if you do, then of course you can tap on agree. In my case, I don't like it, so I'm just gonna tap on don't agree. And there we go, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.